Welcome to the CCLI Reviews channel, where I give you an up-close and personal look at all sorts of products you can find online, from wireless keyboards to lawn sprinklers and just about everything in between. Then I give you my honest opinion of them. If you're curious, CCLI stands for Cord Cutters LI, my parent channel where thousands of people have learned to save money on their cable bill. But here at CCLI Reviews, it's all about the products you're interested in. So if you're ready to see what I have to show you today, sit back, relax, and let's go. So the brand was nice enough to send me this Countertop portable ice maker to review for you, and I have put this thing through the test over the last couple of days, and I'm going to tell you all about it. So first of all, it says that it makes ice between 6 and 8 minutes. This is true. It makes ice each batch. It makes them in batches. Okay, so there's a little basket inside, as you'll see. It makes ice cubes in like 6.5 to 7 minutes per batch, and it makes about actually about 6 or 7 ice cubes per batch as well. Comes out in these nice little rounded cubes that I'll show you in a minute. It took about 10 batches to fill up this whole basket inside. That's about 1 hour and 8 minutes or so, give or take. I actually had my stopwatch running. I poured this into a measuring bowl, and it comes out to about 1.5 quarts of ice in a little bit more than an hour. So that's a pretty good yield. Not a lot for, a party like live, if you just kind of have this, if you want to have this ice maker like in the corner making ice for people walking up to it and making, drinks and stuff. But if you're planning a party and you want to make some ahead of time, this is perfect. You can go ahead and make some ice and freeze them, ahead of time and put them in the freezer. So it's not super fast, but, it definitely gets the job done. It's awesome if you have just a couple of people, getting around for some drinks and stuff. Actually, it sounds like it's just finishing up one batch right now. You can hear that. Let's see. There it goes. It's dropping another 6 or 7 ice cubes in there. Strange thing is this, it does say that it's for small or large cubes, and I have found virtually no difference between the two. I ran several batches of small cubes and several batches of large cubes, and they're virtually the same. I mean, this is I actually measured them, looking at them side by side, you can see no difference. I also put them on a scale, and as you can see, between the large and the small, it's virtually the same weight. So that being said, it actually is the perfect size, I think, for drinks. So, that's not really a deal breaker for me. I really like the size of the cubes that it makes and the shape and so on. So it's really good for drinks. One more note, the max fill line is really hard to see inside. Whether you have the light on or the light off, it's really kind of hard to see. So what I did was kind of a little bit of a trial and error thing. I used a water bottle, filled it up to the right amount, and then eventually after a couple of tries, I found the exact spot on the water bottle that was perfect. So I marked that, and from now on, I use that water bottle every time I want to fill this up, and I've had no issues at all. So you can see now, I've filled it up using that bottle, and it gets right. It's even a little bit easier to see now that it's filled right up to that max line. So now we're all set. So that's about it. I mean, this thing works great. It doesn't have any, I have no issues with it whatsoever, and I think we're going to get a lot of use out of it.